This quick video is about how to unrestrict someone on Messenger app using your iPhone and iPad. First, open your Messenger app. Then click here. Now click Privacy and Safety. And you can see the option Restricted Accounts. Just click that. Yes. Here you can see all your restricted account. Suppose if you want to unrestrict this account means just click that and tap unrestrict. That's it. Now this account was unrestricted. Here you can see that. Yeah, this is how you can unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger using your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.